Hello guys, welcome to Spot Original. This time I will bring a tutorial on how to dark mode on your Gmail. Before that, help us to be enthusiastic about making this tutorial video with the like, share and subscribe so you don't miss interesting video tutorials. Okay, some people are not comfortable with the display on light mode on Gmail, so the solution is to make Gmail into dark mode. Here is tutorial. The first, we go to the Gmail. After that, click tree in the upper left corner. Scroll down and click the setting. Click general setting in the upper. After that, click the theme and you choose dark one. Now your Gmail has become dark mode. And this is a tutorial how to become dark mode in your Gmail, and I hope this video is interesting and hopeful is useful. Thank you for the attention and bye.